how to buy USDT on Binance with PayPal. So if we open up Binance and head over to the P2P and select the USDT, and if I click on the payment and search for PayPal, as you can see, there is no such an option of PayPal. In the payment methods right now, Binance does not support PayPal as your payment method to purchase any of cryptocurrencies. So you need to first of all send the money from PayPal to your bank account, and then you're going to need to simply purchase any coin that you want to purchase. In this case, if it is your USDT. So simply enter the amount and click on Buy USDT. And once you do so, you're going to need to simply click on the Continue, and then you're going to need to enter the bank details and all of that stuff. But at the end, you cannot purchase USDT on B with PayPal. Maybe in the future, Binance started to support the PayPal as the payment method in Binance. But for now, it is not possible. Hope this help. This is how you can buy USDT on Binance with PayPal. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing videos.